Most people download cash advance apps without checking if they are actually legit, and that's where mistakes happen. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is trusting any app just because it looks modern or popular. In this video we are breaking down the B9 and answering the real question. Is it legit in 2026? And should you actually use it? Let's start with the simple truth. B9 is a financial app that offers cash advance style features, helping users access part of their expected income before payday. It is designed for short-term financial gaps, not long-term borrowing. Now here's what most people don't realize. Apps like this do not operate like traditional banks. They usually partner with third-party financial institutions to provide services. That means your experience depends on both the app and its banking partners. So, is it legit? Yes. B9 is generally considered a real financial service app. But legit does not automatically mean perfect for everyone. That's where most users get confused. Now let's break down how it actually works. First, you connect your bank account. The app analyzes your income patterns and spending behavior. Based on that, it determines whether you qualify for an advance. For example, Jake gets a small advance limit because his income is irregular. Meanwhile, John with a steady paycheck gets a higher limit. It is all based on risk and income consistency. But here's the problem. Many users expect guaranteed approval or large instant cash limits. That is not how these systems work. Limits are usually small at the beginning and may increase slowly over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users report that repayment timing and fees can vary depending on usage. That's why reading terms carefully is important before relying on any cash advance app regularly. In a minute, I'll explain who should actually use B9 and who should avoid it completely. If you have stable income but occasional cash flow gaps, B9 can be helpful for emergencies. For example, Alex used it when his rent payment was delayed and needed a short-term bridge. But if you are constantly depending on advances every week, that is a warning sign. It may indicate a budgeting problem that needs a deeper fix. So let's summarize the key points. B9 is a real cash advance style app. It can help in emergencies. It is not a long-term financial solution. Approval and limits depend on income behavior, and it should be used responsibly. The final takeaway is simple. Use B9 as a backup tool, not a primary source of money. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest app reviews in 2026.